$1 per day for 21 years into Bitcoin. Let's talk about it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to talk about the new strategy, the most affordable strategy to invest into Bitcoin. And that requires only $1 per day that you will invest for 21 years. As Michael Saylor said, the prophecy is 21 years, $21 million per coin. And if you invest $1, only $1 per day, which is I think everyone can invest at least $1 per day into Bitcoin without taking so much risk for 21 years, so until 2046. That's the goal. So if you invest $1, what would be the profit? So let's calculate it. So if you invest $1 per day into 21 years, that will be 6,000, we have to count the days, so 365 times 21 years. So it will be 6,665 days. So in total, you will have invested into Bitcoin over 21 years, $6,665. Now, you don't have to buy when it's low or when it's high, or we're gonna do the DCS strategy, the dollar cost strategy, dollar cost average strategy, which is to buy every day a little bit by a little bit. Like this, you put a reminder on your phone, or you can just do it as a routine. And it's the same as brushing your teeth, the same as going to the gym, as taking care of yourself. This is a little investment that you will make for your future. So after 21 years, you will approximately own around 0.02 Bitcoin, which is 2% of a Bitcoin. And if in 21 years, so you invested $7,665 over 21 years, that if you own 2% of a Bitcoin, it will approximately be around $440,000, which is a massive investment. This is almost time more than 50. So I think this strategy is for everyone. You can use it I don't think that it will hurt your life just to invest $1 every day. Or you can also invest $30 every month. But I think $1 every day is something that you're not gonna miss so much. So by just investing a little bit every day, you can set up your future and get a lot of profit in the future, around $440,000, which is, I mean, what can you do with that money? $440,000. You could buy a house in Europe, you could buy go somewhere else, and I think it's a really great investment to have. So I just wanted to share that with you. Today I'm in a nice villa. As I said, I left France a long time ago, and I wanted to share with you this, because I think this is one of the easiest strategies that you could get into Bitcoin as a beginner. But this is only true if the prophecy of Michael Saylor, which is a tech engineer, the owner of a strategy company, which is the biggest treasury of Bitcoin treasury in the world at the moment, with more than 600 Bitcoins, 600,000 Bitcoins. So yeah, I think if his prophecy come true, it will be massive. I hope it come true in 21 years, but let's keep this channel running. Let's invest together into Bitcoin. As I said in my previous video, I'm the friend who's gonna remind you, just buy Bitcoin. Because I think this is a great investment. This is the best investment that you could make. And just $1 every day for 21 years you're not taking a risk. You're taking a chance. And that's the thing. You're not gonna get scammed or anything about this. And I just wanted to share that with you. So I hope this video helped you. Drop a like. What do you think about this strategy? Let me know in the comment, and I will see you in the next one.